gold has started the week and the month on a bearish note. So far it has achieved 1842.6 levels and it is still staying bearish. Now, as we expected in our monthly review couple of days back, which was a detailed review, we've observed that there is a probability of bearishness, but at the same time, there are strong support levels for gold at 1840, 36, 33. Three key levels for gold, which we need to observe. So what to expect today from gold? Is it going to break on the downside or we can still expect it to resume on the buy side? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start. See, on the hourly charts, you can find out gold is trading in this bearish channel. It has to break beyond 1850, 1852 zone and then 1855. If these two levels are breached, then you can say probably we may see a reversal. We can expect a reversal towards 1860, 65 level. 65 is what I will look forward to staying above 1850 zone here. Now, if you look at the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. What it may try to do, if it is bearish, it can try to stay within 1850, 1840 zone, wait for the moving average to come down, then try to achieve those levels. If you look at the moving averages, these are trading with sharp divergence and are still staying bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. This potentially calls for a little recovery on the upside. While the MACD also has hit a bottom, it is trading with divergence and hence a potential conversion, potential rise cannot be denied here. RSI is staying oversold. This also calls for a little retracement. If you look at 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour charts, first of all, look at the bearishness. Yes, the bearishness is getting diminished. At the same time, it is creating steps here. See, lower highs, lower lows are getting created here. Now, for a potential reversal towards 1855, 1860, 65 zone, it has to show a strong bullish momentum, stay above 1850 levels. Then you can say potentially we may see a further rise towards 60, 65 zone. I will look forward to 65 if it retraces on the upside. Stochastic, extremely oversold, which also calls for a possible rise. MACD, extremely divergent and bearish. You can see it is already at bottom, minus 10 levels. And this could be see previous double bottom levels and hence it may try to create double bottom and try to show a rise later. Possibility exists for this, as you can note that these levels on the 2-hour charts are rare in gold. Look at RSI. It stayed extremely oversold here and hence now after stabilizing the possibility of double bottom and a reversal exists. Now if you look at 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts also you can note that lower highs, lower lows is what gold is creating as of now. And you can note that 65 levels is where the next resistance zone exists. Also, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. Now, when I say divergent and when I say convergent, you can note that see here the divergence stayed for long because the crossover was very nearby. Then ultimately it converged here and now again trying to diverge. So possibly it may stay bearish and then converge towards 1860-65 zone is what you can observe here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. MACD is still looking downwards here. And it is now gone towards oversold levels here. RSI is still staying oversold. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, see this is the beautiful channel in which gold is trading as of now. The bottom on the 4-hour charts is at 1810 levels. And this zone is important for gold here. You can note that see previously when it has hit a lows here, these levels are respected beautifully, and when it has struck the high, these levels are again respected. So this channel is critical and the bottom of the channel is far below. But if you look, see the moving averages crossed just now are trading with divergence. It has the potential for it to continue further with the bearish bias. At the same time, if you look closely at the 4-hour charts, you may find lower lows, lower highs suggest bearishness Hence, a rise above 1850-52 zone is where one should focus upon. Beyond that, we may see 55, 65 levels. 65 is what I will look forward to personally. If it stays above 50 levels, 52 levels, certainly the bullishness may prevail. As long as it stays below 50, 52, we are not going to initiate any buying entry here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is also extremely bearish here. See, it is sitting at minus 15 levels, and these are good bearish levels for gold. See, when it was bullish, it has never breached plus 10 levels, and hence minus 15 levels here are important. At the same time, look, in 6 months back when it is seen an extreme rise, plus 20 levels were seen here. So it does not mean that it is staying bearish. It does not mean that it is possibility of it to reverse always exists. It can continue here for a little while on the downside. RSI is staying oversold. What I will look forward to a double bottom in RSI and then a reversal. On the daily charts, double top, lower lows here. I will wait for 1840 levels to be breached. Only and only if gold stays below 1840, I will recommend you to sell there. 1836, 33 levels, you should watch out for. These are two critical support levels for gold, below which further bearishness may prevail. At the same time, any rise above 1850, you can initiate a buying entry. 1858, 1852 zone is going to be critical. Then the next resistance is at 55, and beyond that, we may look forward to 65 levels here. Yes, beyond 1855, certainly we can expect 1865. Now, if you note this, the straight red candles here, moving averages are divergent, and hence, even if it tries to retrace, the retracement is going to be smaller, and which will let the moving average to come down at least. 1880 is the ultimate resistance which it needs to break past by in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic extremely oversold. MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish, and possibly we have to look forward to a little reversal at some point of time soon, because see, it is staying at an extremely oversold levels and it has breached, and look at the candle size, these are extremely heightened here. So possibly we may see a convergence from here, which means a greener candle can be expected soon. RSI is oversold. Looking at this, if you see gold today is staying above 50-52 zone, you can buy. 1855 and 1865 is the next targets, and ultimately 1880. If these three levels are breached, then you can say gold is trying to reverse, else it is still staying in the bearish zone. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 1840, but then 1836-33 are good key support levels. Even if you see a gold at around those levels, possibility exists that we can initiate a buying entry at around those levels and expect it to retrace a little on the upside. So take your positions accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and yes, you can join my 26th mentorship batch starting 9th of October. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques and strategy which can help you to trade proficiently, trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with more detailed analysis on gold and other commodities along with the indices. Thank you.